Okay, so we will be going to make a bird here by writing 5. So as you can see here that this is a 5, a long 5. Now we're going to make a bird from this 5. Just try to do the thing that I'm doing in this video, as you can see here. So this is the mouth and this is the head cape of the bird, and we're going to make the eye for the bird. And these are the wings. Now foot, the first leg and the second leg, and this is a branch of a tree on which the bird is sitting, and this is the tail for the bird. Now we're going to complete the wings here. So these are the wings of these birds. I'm making these birds for small kids, that how they can start by drawing birds. Now this is something that, let's suppose I'm going to make a leaf here, a leaf in the mouth of the bird. You can see here that's very nice and awesome. And this is a small part of the bird, a small part of the leaf dropped from the mouth of the bird. Let me extend the branch and darken the foot or legs of the bird. Now let me do something a little bit more. Let me create an eyebrow and the cape on the head a little bit more nicer. So this is awesome. You can see here a very beautiful bird for small children. Let me shade the bird mouth and leaf. Let me create a little bit more things, and this is a small ear for the bird on the head. Awesome making. Let me extend a little bit more. Oh, very nice. Okay, so this is a bird, that how we can make a bird, small bird for our gratitude. Thanks.